Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review of my Burberry bag as well as what's in my bag video. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So Burberry has been around since the 1950s. It's a well-known British luxury brand. It was founded by Thomas Burberry and it is continued to stand the test of time. It is a timeless classic brand that is absolutely going strong, well loved, and can be seen quite often. Anytime I've been to London, I have seen the Burberry brand, either in a trench coat or through a scarf, or more recently, bags have become quite popular in the Burberry brand. And I fell in love with this gorgeous bag. This is called the Small Lola Check Quilted Camera Bag. It is absolutely stunning. It's called Bright Red. And although it's called Bright Red, I don't feel like it's too bright or too shocking. It is the most beautiful, perfect red shade, in my opinion. It has this great gold hardware, which says TB, which is Thomas Burberry, the founder of Burberry. And it's subtle. It's not over the top, but it is beautiful, well done, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So it is made in Italy. It is also Italian leather, and this is the kind of leather that I don't need to worry too much about scratching. It is sturdy and it's still plush and soft, but yet I don't feel like my nail, scratching it is going to do it in. It's definitely more durable. So it is the most beautiful soft leather, comes with the gold hardware and the gold zipper pull with the leather tab, and it is absolutely stunning. So it does have the gold hardware that says Burberry and England right there. It also has this great gold chunky chain, which I love, that runs into a soft leather strap. So this strap is not removable, but it is adjustable. So it does have the adjustments here. There are 5 adjustments. So you can easily crossbody this or shorten it for a shoulder strap. And it is just a really great versatile bag. I feel like you can easily dress it up, or you can wear it with jeans and a sweater. So it's a great size for every day, in my opinion. I've been using this nonstop for the last few weeks, really enjoying this color, especially during the holiday season. I feel like this is just the perfect pop of color that I need in my wardrobe. And so I have been sporting this every day. The dimensions of this bag are 9 inches in length, 6 inches in height, and then it is 2 inches in depth. So good sized bag. There is a mini camera bag. It was a little small for me just because I'm 5'10". I just felt like it was too small, and this was really a good size for me. Of course, if you're more petite, the mini may be more to your liking, so obviously you do you, but this was a good fit for me. I absolutely love it, and I just feel like it is absolutely the most beautiful red shade. So I ended up picking this up on a sale. I saved myself $550. I want to say I paid about $1,000. Regular retail of this bag is $1,550. So again, I picked it up for about $1,000, saving myself $550. I always look for a sale. I always try to get a bag that is on my wish list at a discount, and I was happy to find this one on one, save myself some money, and I feel like it was definitely worth the wait to get one on a sale. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'll show you what I've been carrying around with me lately, and let's see what's in my bag. So first off, my keys. And I ended up picking up this adorable keychain at Starbucks not too long ago. It is so cute. I feel like it is the most adorable keychain, but I feel like you could also use it as a bag charm on the right bag. And it also came with a green ribbon, so you could use it as a Christmas ornament, put it on the tree, and then later use it for keys or a bag charm. Now my kids love it, so I have to keep an eye on it, otherwise it will disappear. If you know, you know. But it's really cute. It does open. I'm not really sure if anything would really fit in there. I don't know if you guys can think of anything. I thought maybe mints or gum, not sure. But that's what I have in there. Let's see what else. Oh, I also have my Coach. This is kind of my Coach catch-all. This comes in really handy just to have like some of my smaller items. So I do have my absolute favorite right now anyway. This is the Fenty Ice Lip Gloss. It is so pretty, so shiny. It's got this really great minty smell, and it has like a minty flavor to it, and it doesn't burn, but it makes your lips look really nice. This is my Versace Bright Crystal perfume. Love this fragrance. And I also have a hand sanitizer. I do want to go to Bath & Body Works and get myself a hand sanitizer for the holidays that has a holiday fragrance. You guys can recommend any good Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers for the holidays. Please let me know. So next I have my Giorgio Armani. This is my lip power case. I have 2 of the lip powers. These are my favorite. They don't dry out my lips, and they seem to last longer than some of my other lipsticks do. This is the shade 504. That's kind of like a deeper brown color, which is really nice for the holidays, I feel like. And then I also have a more neutral shade with me. Again, in the lip power, this is 104. This is definitely more a nude color. They're really pretty. I really recommend the Giorgio Armani Lip Power. They're so good. And I love this case. I think I got this at Sephora. And it came with the 2 lipsticks. And it just matches my bag perfectly. I love that. It has the gold hardware, and it's pretty much the same red. It looks pretty spot on to me anyway. So that is also what I've been carrying around with me. And then I love a full-size wallet, and I love that this bag allows me to carry my full-size Clemence wallet by Louis Vuitton. I'm a huge fan of the Clemence wallet. I have this in the other 2 prints. So I have the Demier Azur, Demier Abine, and the monogram print by Louis Vuitton in the Clemence wallet. So if you're interested in a review of those wallets, I do have that video for you. So I'll go ahead and link it in the eye. You can check that out after this video if you are interested. All right, so I forgot I had this in here, but I guess it's time for Confessions of a Chocoholic. This is what I picked up when I was at Target the other day at the checkout line. This is probably my favorite, and I love it so much with a cup of coffee. Sometimes I'll even hide in the closet so I don't have to share it with my children. You know what I'm talking about. And I just feel like everyone needs a little chocolate and coffee in their life every once in a while if you've had a rough day. This makes it better. You're welcome. It's not sponsored. This is just what I picked up at Target. All right, so next I have, and this is pretty much the only thing that fits in the slip pocket that's inside this bag, and that is my card holder. And this is my Kate Spade card holder. I pretty much just keep my kid cards in here. And when I say kid cards, I basically mean like our Dave & Buster's cards that we need to go play video games if we do a Dave & Buster's hour or so. I also have our Lego Rewards card in here. I have a Billy B's card in here. So this is just something I kind of carry with me whenever we go somewhere, just because you never know. So that's really the only thing I feel like fits inside that pocket. It really isn't a big slip pocket. It is beautiful though, with that red leather interior. And then the rest of the bag is just one large compartment. And it really is quite spacious for a camera bag. I feel like it definitely fits your everyday essentials in here. I feel like it's a beautiful, versatile bag, and I'm a huge fan of the Burberry brand. I feel like it's definitely classic and chic. Their style is timeless, and I'm not going to have to worry about this ever going out of style. I'll be using it for years to come and enjoying it so much. Like I said, I can dress this bag up or I can dress it down. Love it so, so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this review as well as what's in my handbag video. And if you did, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like this video, and it would help me out so much if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.